we're going to do the plank reach. So you're on all fours, hands in. Yep. So this is a core exercise as well as balance. And you just alternate with the reach.
Yeah, my balance. So
That's the benefit of the exercise, to increase your balance, because now you balance yourself on just a hand and 2 feet.
yeah.
Yep. You try to keep your core as tight as possible, and make sure you breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good. Excellent. That's it, buddy. Nice.
And now what? The donkey kicks?
The donkey kicks. This is great for the glutes. Also requires a little balance, but it's really for the glutes, to fire those glutes up, kicking up nice and high toward the ceiling, squeezing the glute as you kick back. And this is one exercise that complement other exercises like split squats, donkey squats, leg press, front squats, sumo squats. It just adds to those exercises.
Switch a leg.
And then you switch legs. With a nice kick, with a squeeze to the glutes as you kick up toward the ceiling. Good. Squeeze that glute. Just also, as with every exercise, you make sure you breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. That's it, buddy.
Good to go. Constantly see me doing exercises, and I just show you some exercises I do from the bench. I'm trying to motivate you because you have been programmed or brainwashed, however you want to put it. You can't do this stuff. I'm living proof that you can do it. I promise you can do it. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and set up your free consultation and visit our website. Thank you.